Hello and welcome to your first official lesson on learning HTML. So we're not going to be writing any code in this video, not particularly, but we are going to learn what HTML is. Now, as a core understanding of what HTML is, it is really the skeletal structure of every single website. You can't have a website without HTML. It is the structure behind it. We're going to dive into this in just a moment. Now, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's responsible for bold, paragraph, italics, images, a lot of videos these days if it doesn't include Flash, which pretty much there isn't anymore. Now, one of the things that HTML does not do is it does not make your site look beautiful. So it doesn't add particular colors necessarily. It doesn't add nice rounded features. It doesn't do a lot of things. So it is really just the skeletal part of your website. And a little bit later, once you're done learning HTML, you can learn about functionality, which is JavaScript, and making it look nice, which is CSS. But for now, we're just going to learn the basics. So let's take a look at an example here. So I'm just going to open up imdb.com and I'm going to right click and you can see view source here. That's an option that you can click. Click on view source and you will see all sorts of stuff in here. We're going to see a little bit of HTML. I'm sure we're going to see some CSS. We're going to see a little bit of JavaScript, which is what our window is filled with right now. I'll just make that a little bit bigger. And we need to sort of understand what all of this actually means. And to begin, we need to understand what HTML and CSS and JavaScript sort of look like. So all this stuff in here, the stuff that's not really colored, that's JavaScript. And it sort of just looks like a mess, to be totally honest. So we're going to ignore that. We're not learning any of that stuff right now. But if we scroll way down, we can start seeing we have a div, we've got an H5, UL, LI, A, looks like we've got something that I can click on. We have all sorts of stuff in here. And this is what HTML is. It looks a lot like this. Now we're going to get into all of this and sort of what all of this means and, you know, what is a class and how do we assign a class and strong and even what this thing is. We're going to get into all of this in this course. Now at the end of every video, well, just about every video, there is some sort of task for you to do, something to get your hands dirty, just to get a little bit of experience to follow along with me. So what I would like you to do is open up imdb.com or maybe facebook.com or something, and just right click and go to view page source. It might actually just be called view source depending on which browser you're on. So click that and you'll see all sorts of stuff in here. This is the first step to actually understanding HTML. It is being able to read it, being able to access it, being able to just see that it is completely available to you and your browser. So again, just open up a website, right click, view page source, maybe tinker around in here, maybe try to see if you can understand some of it. If you can't, that's okay. We're going to learn everything you need to know about hypertext markup language.